All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our TensorFlow course and we're still doing our malaria TensorFlow callbacks module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, yesterday, if you recall, we finally got the bug issue situated and we did move on. We took some we took some notes today, and we did the descriptions of all of the parameters that we were going to be going over inside of this callbacks early stopping method, the monitor, the min data, the patience, the verbose, the mode, baseline, and restore best weights. So you can see we did that here. We took the notes for all the parameters here, and it's actually just took down a definition of everything. So we have the monitor quantity to be monitored, min data, minimum change in monitor quantity to qualify as an improvement, i.e. an absolute change of less than min delta will count as no improvement, and so on and so forth. So we took all of the definitions of the parameters there. We actually got our code structure to run. The only thing is, you remember I had everything set up to run just once because it was taking so long to run our histories. It took at least like an hour and a half to run it once. But to see the actual change in this particular part of the code, you have to run it at least 10 times, which is going to take a couple of hours. So I couldn't do it overnight because I only did it once, not realizing it has to be run more than once. So we're going to have to run it at least 10 times to see any change in a particular code, and that's going to take a few hours. So what I'm going to do is, when I stop making this video, I'm going to get and start running it. Hopefully it'll be done by tonight. No joking, seriously, it'll take a few hours. So if I start running it now, it should be done by tonight, and we can have it ready for you tomorrow, and we can go everything when that done compiling. Yep, so everything's back on track. Just letting you guys know this is for the easy or the ES for the early stop callback method. You can see here, and we have the initializer here inside our history equals Lynette custom model.fit, and it's going to go inside the callbacks method. You can see alongside the CSV callback, it's here ES callback. Yeah, so after we're done running it for 10 epics, we'll get in start going over the results of that. So yep, but of course I will keep you guys posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.